Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about another Python decision making structure, that is a elif. You know that we have discussed about if statement, if else, nested if statement. Now we will cover elif decision making structure, in which we will use elif keyword with if and else. So elif is used between if and else block. We use elif where we have to make multiple condition after if statement. For example, there may be a condition in which you have to provide multiple condition. In that situation, we have to use elif decision making structure. For example, you want to make a program in which user will insert a character, for example, A, B, and up to Z. User can enter. For example, if there is a user enter, for example, A, then a message should be displayed that this is a vowel. And for example, user enter C, show that this is not a vowel. And user enter I, it should display that this is a vowel. For example, U, it should display that this is a vowel. For example, X should display it is not vowel. So you can see that there are different conditions we have to make for this program. In that situation, we have to use elif keyword. So it is an alternative of else if condition. You know that in other programming language there is no concept of elif keyword, but in Python we use elif keyword. This is the alternative of else if condition, as we use this structure in other languages like PHP, C++. So its syntax is that, for example, if condition. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. For example, this condition is false. Again, this condition will be checked. If this condition is true, this statement will be executed, or set of statement will be executed. For example, this condition also false, then control check this condition. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. For example, this condition also false, then in the else part, if any statement or set of statement mentioned, they will be executed. So syntax is that, for example, if this condition is true, this statement will be executed and skip all other. For example, this condition is false, then this condition will be checked. And if this condition is false, then again this condition is checked. If this condition is true, inside that block all the statement will be executed. For example, all the conditions are false, then in the else part statement or set of statement will be executed. Now I open Visual Studio Code and provide example on the basis of if, elif, else keywords. In a Visual Studio Code, just create any file and save this file, if, elif, and else statements.py. Now I will provide example in which we will use a elif keyword, in which we have to provide multiple conditions. For example, I want to make a program in which user will enter a character. If that character is vowel, a message should be displayed that this character is vowel. Otherwise, this is not a vowel, this is a consonant. So first of all, I will get a character from the user, enter a char to check whether it is vowel or not, that store in this variable. And then I make a condition, if ch means variable in which user will enter a char. If ch equal to, for example, a small char in small letter. User can also enter small letter or capital letter. On the basis of both cases you can display message, but in this example I will get only small letter. Or I can also okay, no issue, in small letter. Now if char is equal to a, then this message should be displayed that it is vowel. For example, this condition is false, user did not enter a character, then I will check if ch equal to a, then this message should be displayed there. For example, user enter another character, for example I, then this message should be displayed. For example, again we check that colon user enter a u r o, then this message should be displayed that. For example, user enter another character say equal to u, then this message should be displayed that. For example, in some case maybe condition that user did not enter any character that is a vowel, then this message should be displayed it is not vowel char. Now I want to execute this file, python if elif else. You can see that it is saying that enter a char in small letter. For example, a, you can see that it is vowel. H, you can see that it is not vowel. Anything else, for example any number, it is not vowel. O, it is vowel. I, vowel. U, it is vowel. E, it is vowel. L, it is not a vowel char. So first of all I get a character from the user, and then I make condition that if that char is equal to a, then this message should be displayed that. For example, if this condition is false, then again check this condition. If this false, again this check. If this false, again this condition should be checked. If this false, then again check this condition. If all the conditions are false, then anything you written in else block that should be displayed. So another is that you can also make functionality that if user enter any character in small letter or capital letter, that should be displayed it is vowel. You have to use a logical operator, that is a or. If ch equal to a or equal to with capital, then this message should be displayed. Make with everyone e, and then should be I, and should be here o, and then here should be a u. So execute this fine. For example, a and capital A, you can see that. So this is a functionality we have created. User can enter any character. On the basis of user character, we display message whether it is vowel or not.